You've said yes to the proposal, but here's what you should say yes to before walking down the aisle. First, say yes to the money talk. I know, not romantic, but 70% of divorces involve financial stress. Discuss your spending habits, debt, and financial goals now. Second, say yes to learning how you both handle conflict. You will disagree, that's normal. What matters is whether you fight fair, listen actively, and work toward solutions together. Third, say yes to aligning your life visions. Where do you want to live? Kids or no kids? Career priorities? These conversations prevent major surprises later. Finally, say yes to realistic expectations. Marriage isn't a fairy tale ending. It's a daily choice to love, support, and grow together. Your love brought you this far. These conversations will help it last a lifetime. Congratulations on taking this important step together. Please subscribe to this channel for all things life, love, and relationship.